Hello everyone. Today we are continuing. Our topic is SDH basic. So part one we already talked some about the SDH. We remind a little bit about that. The first one we talk about interaction. And then we talk about why was SDH was developed, and next is core feature of SDH, and the key benefit of SDH, structure of H signal, and how SDH work, and also key component of SDH. Application of SDH and disadvantage and advantage of SDH. Also, we are talk about the component like add and drop. We talk about the multiplexing technique. We talk about the regenerator. We talk about the impact of SDH on telecommunication. So now we continue with the introduction to the SDH topology. So SDH network consists of network element we call NE interconnect with optical fiber. The geometrical layout of NE and transmission line is called the network topology. So the efficiency, reliability, and effectiveness of network highlighted depend on topology. So SDH network topology refers to the structure arrangement of node and connection in an SDH network. Typically, it involves configurations such as ring, star, mesh, or the other, which allow for efficient data transmission and redundancy. The topology is designed to facilitate high-speed data transfer, ensure reliability, and support rural service. So the key components include multiplexer, generator, and terminal equipment, all working together to manage flow digital signal across the network. So SDH network topology refers to how node and connection are structured in an SDH network designed for high capacity data transmission. So we highlight on the key type of topology as we see in the picture. There's ring topology, mesh topology, star, trees, mesh, and hybrid. And we are going to talk detail one by one. So first we are talking about the classification of topology structure. So SDH network topology structure can be classified into point-to-point topology, or we can call chain network, star network, tree network, ring network, mesh network, and the last one is hybrid network. So in SDH network, the topology refers to physical and logical layout of network component, the interconnection between them, and how data flows through the system. SDH topology are typically classified based on the configuration of node and link, and how redundancy, fault tolerance, and scalability are handled. Understand this topology is essential for design and maintenance SDH network for telecommunication and data transmission. So next we talk about point-to-point and or CHAN network. So as you can see in the picture, in the CHAN network, all the nodes are interconnected one after another on line without button, without border. So point-to-point topology connect two SDH devices directly through a single transmission path, typically using optical fiber. CHAN network are used when the network nodes are arranged in a long line. So we come up with the characteristic. It is a simple and straightforward design, typically used for indicate connection between two locations. For example, between city or data center. There is no redundancy or fault tolerance unless added manually. Example through protection schema 1+1 or 1:1. So the advantage economical to build and easy to operate and implement administration and maintenance. Low cost for smaller and indicate communication link. And for disadvantage is lack of fault tolerance. If the link fail, communication is lost. Not scalable for large network. So we can use some example like connecting to region office, private list line, or short distance transmission between 2 points. And also we can see in railway lines, highway, and power supply line. These all point-to-point CHAN network. So next is we talk about star network. You can see in the picture, in the star network, there is a central node to which all the other nodes are directly connected. There are no direct link between between other nodes. So star topology has a central node, also known as a hub or switch. To switch, all the other nodes are connected directly. The topology is often used for network where all traffic is direct through the central points. So we come to the characteristic centralized design with hub node. Non-redundant unless additional protection mechanism are implemented. Each node connects directly to the central hub or node, simplify management. So for the advantage, have the capacity of managing the bandwidth, comprehensive and flexibility, and also it simple to deploy and manage. Easy to add or remove node without disturb the other network, the other enriched network. So centralized control make network management easier. So now we come to the disadvantage. There is a potential bottleneck of bandwidth at the central node. If the equipment fail of central node, it may cause a breakdown of entry network. Single point of failure. If the central hub fail, the entry network disrupt. So also it will be damaged. So and this one is less let's compare to the other topology like ring or mesh. For example, we are use the case small enterprise network. They are small enterprise network, data center or network requirement centralized control. So star network are mainly used in access network or rural telephone network in which nodes are scattered here and there's and service not very important. So all this is for the star network. So next is we talk about the tree network. As we can see in the picture, a tree network can be considered a combination of Chan and star topology. A tree topology is a hybrid of star and birth topology. It arranges as the node in hierarchical manner, in which a central root node at the top of the hierarchy and the other node branch out as below it. Characteristic. Okay, so we continue with a characteristic. Hierarchical structure with root central node and leaf edge node. Typical use extends smaller star network into large scale. Central nodes control traffic and manage the distribution of data across the network. So we come to the advantage. So it is scalable. New node can easily to add a various level of hierarchy. Simple and flexible, suitable for expanding network. The tree network are similar to those of chain and star network. So for the disadvantage, it is not suitable for bidirectional service. A fail in the high level root or parent node can affect large part of the network. Tree network, we can use a backbone network that connect regional hub or central office, expanding access to different locations. So now we continue to ring network. We can see in the picture, ring network are such structure in which all nodes are connected on after the other to form a circle. In the ring topology, SDH nodes such as multiplexer and group connection are connected in a circle fashion where each node is connected to the other node. The data circulate in the ring, and if one part fails, the data can be rerouted in the opposite direction. So for the characteristic, circle layout of node. Redundancy part or fault tolerant. If one link fails, the network can be reroute traffic in opposite direction. And for the protection and restraint mechanism. Automation protection switching, we call APS, are inherent. So for this advantage is high reliability to redundancy, high severability, quick filter and recover. Traffic can be redirected automatically. And for this advantage, to implement cell heading ability, the network node must be configuration very complex and difficult to maintain. more complex than point-to-point. Potential higher costs due to the need for more equipment, multiplexer and generator. Use case for we use it at metropolitan area network, regional network, and network requirement high reliability. Ring network are widely used in SDH network to its high severability. We talk about mesh network. As you can see, mesh network are such structure in which may node interconnect together via direct link. So in mesh topology, each node is connected to several data nodes in the network, forming a web link structure. This provides multiple paths between any pair of nodes into high redundancy and fault tolerance. Characteristic, we can a full mesh. Every node connect to every other node. A path mesh, select node are connected. High redundancy as there are multiple paths for data transmission. Complex design and higher cost due to mirrors connection. So we are spend for the money like fiber and more device. So we come to the advantage. Extremely fault tolerant. If one or more link fail, they are always alternating route. Ideal for large-scale mission circle network. No traffic bottleneck problem exists. Highly reliable, and next is the advantage. It's very expensive to implement and maintain due to the large number of connections. Complex to manage due to the high interconnectivity of complicated, costly because difficult to maintain. For the use, we are using large scale or core network, backbone network, and network where reliability and availability are critical. So it is a mesh network. The next we are talking about hybrid network. So a hybrid is a combination of two or more formation topology, such as a combination of star and ring, or mesh and tree, designed to meet specific performance, scalability, or for tolerant need. For characteristic flexibility, depend on the network requirement. Components of different topology are integrated into a single network. Offer tailored solution with varying level of redundancy, scalability, and fault tolerance. And for the advantage, it is highly customizable to meet specific network needs. Can balance cost, performance, and reliability. And for the disadvantage, increased complexity in design and management. Can become difficult to troubleshoot to mixed topology element. So it is used for large scale corporate network, telecom, and telecom provider or complex WAN. We have talked all the topology or the classification like the point-to-point star network, three ring, and mesh and hybrid. So now we talk about the sub-network interaction. So in backbone network or large region network, there are a large number of NE and link. In the order simplify the network management, a large network can be divided into several subnetworks according to administration. Subnetwork function contain it can include an E-link and even the low-level subnetwork. So in a big network, we are so many NE, so we need to create some network of it is easy to for the monitoring. So now we summarize of the SDH SDH topology classification. We can see a point-to-point. We can see the simple two-node connection for the description and advantage. Low cost, easy implement, and disadvantage lack of redundancy, limit scalability. And for the use case, we already known. Didn't talk more. And for the ring, secure connection, node with protection, you already know, and redundancy, advantage, redundancy, and for fast for recovery, and for disadvantage, more complex and expensive. And mesh, full or partial interconnection node, high and disadvantage, high redundancy, for terrain, and disadvantage, expensive, complex, and complex to manage. Star also we have a central hub connection several node, and advantage simple centralized control, easy manage, and disadvantage single node fail. It will be a single point of fail. It will be have a lot of trouble and less for terrain. And three, hierarchical arrangement of node, and advantage scalable, simple expand, vulnerable if a high level. For disadvantage is vulnerable if a high level node fail. And hybrid, combination of multiple topology. For this advantage, customizable, balance, performance, and reliability. And for this advantage, it is a complex design and management. So SDH topology provide a robust and scalable frame network for telecommunication and data transmission over optical fiber. Where this simple point-to-point connection or more complex ring or mesh network, SDH ensure high-speed, reliable, and for terrain transmission of digital rate. Understanding the different topology, point-to-point, ring, mesh, star, and tree, and so on. On along with the protection and for recovery mechanism is essential for design and maintaining efficient SDH based on network. The choice of topology in an SDH depend on factor like the requirement, redundancy, for terrain, scalability, and cost consideration. where is simplicity of point-to-point design, the redundancy of ring, the high availability of mesh or scalability of tree topology. Understanding the reverse SDH topology is crucial for optimizing the network architecture for both performance and reliability. So here are all the summary of the SDH topology. Okay, so that's all for this part 2. SDH basics. Thank you.